Throughout history, science and religion have had a complex and intertwined relationship. Some see them as opposing forces, locked in an eternal battle for truth. Others view them as complementary ways of understanding the universe. This essay explores the historical interplay between science and religion, examining moments of both conflict and harmony. Ultimately, it asks whether these two fields are destined to clash or can coexist peacefully. It is important to note that the relationship between science and religion has not been static. It has evolved over time, influenced by cultural, social, and intellectual shifts. What was considered scientific in one era might be deemed superstition in another. Similarly, religious interpretations of the natural world have changed throughout history. Understanding this dynamic relationship requires careful examination of specific historical periods and events. By analyzing moments of both collaboration and conflict, we can better appreciate the nuanced ways in which science and religion have shaped human thought and progress. This exploration will shed light on the enduring questions about the nature of knowledge, faith, and the human quest for meaning. In the early stages of scientific inquiry, religion played a supportive role. During the Middle Ages in Europe, monasteries became centers of learning. Monks preserved ancient Greek and Roman texts, which included scientific treatises. The Church also established universities. These institutions became important hubs for scientific discussion and debate. The Islamic Golden Age, spanning from the 8th to the 13th centuries, witnessed a flourishing of scientific thought. Islamic scholars made significant contributions to mathematics, astronomy, medicine, and optics. Their work was often driven by religious motivations. They believed that studying the natural world was a way to understand God's creation. Many scientific advancements, such as the development of algebra and the invention of the astrolabe, occurred under the patronage of Islamic rulers and institutions. Religious institutions provided the resources and support that allowed scientific inquiry to flourish. Many early scientists were themselves religious figures. They saw no contradiction between their faith and their scientific pursuits. Instead, they viewed their work as a form of worship. As scientific knowledge progressed, tensions between science and religion began to emerge. Galileo's observations supported the heliocentric model, challenging the Church's geocentric view. The Church condemned Galileo and placed him under house arrest. Darwin's theory of evolution also sparked major conflict with religious beliefs. The debate between evolution and creationism continues to this day. In the present day, the relationship between science and religion remains complex. While some adhere to a strict separation between the two, others seek reconciliation and dialogue. Many religious individuals and institutions have accepted scientific findings. They interpret their faith through a lens that accommodates modern scientific understanding. Some scientists and theologians suggest that science and religion operate within different domains. Science, they argue, explores the how of the natural world. Religion grapples with the why questions of meaning, purpose, and morality. From this perspective, science and religion are not necessarily in conflict. They simply address different aspects of human experience. There are ongoing efforts to bridge the divide between science and religion. Organizations and scholars promote dialogue and understanding between these two fields. They recognize the value of both scientific inquiry and religious faith in addressing the complex challenges facing humanity.